I started the truck up this afternoon. I drove to the store. I heard my fans running kind of loud. I turned the truck off, and the fans stayed running. They have no check engine light on, nothing on. Air conditioner still blowing cold. Everything's good. No other than the fans running hot, and didn't stop.
Mm-hmm.
So I went to take care of my business in the store. Came back, and the fans was shut down. I started the truck back up to see if it reset or whatever would happen was going to happen again, and it didn't. So I drove home. The temperature gauge was down at the 100, never moved. Well, I drove a little bit, and then I checked the engine to see if it was running hot. Nothing's happening. Still open up the thermostat like normal. The hoses wasn't hot. Nothing was steaming. Nothing was cracking. Nothing. So I drove back home. I stopped the truck, got out, waited outside, and it took about 5 minutes. And then the 5 to 7 minutes, and the fans kicked off. And I never ran the truck again. So when I've been Googling and looking, it says like the coolant temperature sensors on the fan. But everything I see here, it says a check engine light should have came on. It don't have no check engine light. It ain't throwing no codes. It ain't running bad. The truck's still running full horsepower. Everything's running good. Just the fans are racing out, and they won't shut off when I turn the key off. And the temperature gauge is set at 100.
Okay, I got two questions for you. What happens is the check engine light comes on for emission purposes only, all right? So there could still be codes stored in the computer that is related either to the coolant temperature sensor or the cooling fan, but just not affecting the emissions, and therefore the check engine light won't come on. What I would recommend that you do is either you or someone actually plug into the data link connector and extract codes in the computer using a compatible scan tool. Usually what they could do is, like if you go to your local auto parts store, sometimes they'll scan it for free for you. You could do that. Yeah, you might want to start there because it's free. And you'll probably get you're right. You'll probably get a temp sensor code or something along those lines, and then you can go from there.
All right. So being that nothing got hot, nothing overheated, what was the chances of me driving the truck about 7 miles to AutoZone?
I think you'd be okay.
O'Reilly.
Yeah, I think you'd be all right.
Yeah, because nothing came on, and the fans are spinning high, and I didn't see any. I didn't see any. The water still in the overflow tank is still the same amount. There was no bubbling like it's boiling.
Right.
There was nothing going on like that.
Yeah, this is probably just it's probably just an electronic issue that either the temp sensor or like a circuit issue, and then it just triggers that. The computer sees that and just kind of as a fail-safe mode, it turns on the fan.
Okay, then I appreciate it, dude. And I'm gonna take it off to O'Reilly tomorrow morning when they open up.
You got it. I think that'll be your best bet, and the most cost-effective route as well.
Yeah, because I'm looking at it here. You're only talking about a $50 part.
Right.
And
Yep.
so I YouTubed it so I could see. I got tools, and I could change it here if that's the case. But like you said, it's probably best with these cars these days is to go get electronic computer put on there to give you a site's diagnostic or locations, what you're saying, huh?
You got it. Yep.
It'll pinpoint it down.
Yes, sir. Yep.
All right. Well, I appreciate it.
All right. You bet. You're welcome. Good luck, and let us know if anything comes up.